Welcome to A Slice and a Piece of Cake. Welcome to day 11 of my Vlogmas. Today, it's all about snacking on some HBAF from Korea. If you've been watching me on A Slice and a Piece of Cake, you know that I've been raving about HBAF almonds. HBAF stands for Healthy But Awesome Flavor. It is a product of Korea. And I was so excited to spot this flavor. This is the hazelnut bong bong. And I picked this up at Kim Mart, not H Mart, but Kim Mart. I was so excited to see this new flavor of almonds. This is the hazelnut bong bong. This is 170 grams. And this was an amazing deal. I think I picked it up for like $7.94. Let's get eating on the HBAF hazelnut bong bong. So the nutrition facts, in case you're interested, per 10 grams or 1/17 of a pack, 10 grams. Okay, these nutritional facts, like, what are they basing this on? Who's only going to eat 10 grams of these almonds? Hello, not me. But in case you are interested, per 1/17 of a bag or 10 grams, it's 57 calories, 4 grams of fat, 3.5 grams of sugar, and 0 grams of sodium. This is a product of Korea. So let's get eating on the hazelnut bong bong. Excited for this. Well, that's kind of like an interesting color. This isn't expiring till September of 2025. So this is the first HBAF snack. Hazelnut bong bong, anyone? So this is what it looks like. Very strange color. Bon appetit. Is this a hazelnut or is it an almond? No, it's a hazelnut almond. That's what it says. It's not a bad flavor. I don't know, when I saw hazelnut, I was thinking it was like a hedgehog. They're okay. Not a flavor I would run back to. I wouldn't say this was my favorite. A little bit underwhelming on the taste buds. I do love HBAF almonds. This one was a bit, the flavors did not wow me. I'm tasting the hazelnut and maybe like a hint of chocolate, but didn't really wow me this time. I'm glad I was able to try another flavor of the HBAF. But the hazelnut bong bong just did not really wow me today on day 11 of my Vlogmas. Now I have 2 savory HBAF snacks that I have never tried. I am excited for it. Now, I spotted this HBAF New York cheeseburger flavored popcorn at H Mart. I thought, how interesting. Let's get eating on healthy but awesome flavor popcorn. Again, this is a product of Korea. Absolutely love the design of the packaging. The illustrations, so darn cute. So this is cheeseburger flavored popcorn. So this is just an 80-gram bag. The nutrition facts per one pack, 80 grams is 395 calories, 21 grams of fat, 21 grams of sugar, and 580 milligrams of sodium. Let's get eating on HBAF New York cheeseburger flavored popcorn. Now, what does a New York cheeseburger taste like? Isn't a burger? We shall see, my friend. Never had a New York cheeseburger. Here in Canada, they have New York fries. That's a franchise. Okay, I'm not really sure I'm getting cheeseburger. But there we have it. The HBAF New York cheeseburger flavored popcorn. I think if you close your eyes and like sniff really hard, maybe you can smell like essence of a cheeseburger. Okay, maybe that's a stretch. Popcorn? Bon appetit. Okay, when you smell it, really doesn't smell like much. But when you bite into it, it sort of does resemble a cheeseburger, but the first bite I took was really kind of sweet. It's a bit strange. It's a bit sweet, and the sugar was kind of high. The sugar was 21 grams of sugar. Very interesting. I'm not really liking the sweet notes. New York cheeseburger, is it sweet? Now, some bites, it does kind of resemble a cheeseburger, but it's sweet. I was expecting savory. You know, I'm expecting savory because it's a cheeseburger. Okay, that bite there, near the end, it did taste like a cheeseburger. But when you initially bite into it, it's so sweet. It's a bit strange. Yeah, sweet again. It's weird. I can't say I really love the New York cheeseburger flavored popcorn. I just find it strange that it's sweet. But there are some bites where it sort of does taste like a burger, but I just don't like the sweetness of this popcorn. Okay, I was having high hopes for HBAF today because I do love their almonds. You tried. You tell me what you think. You think it tastes sweet? Okay, I'm going to have some more. Yeah. It's so strange. I've never had a sweet burger though. Yeah, I'm not liking the sweet part. A little strange for me. A little strange. I was thinking more savory. But glad I was able to try the HBAF New York cheeseburger popcorn. Didn't really love that. No, I did not. No, a bit strange. All right, we're gonna close off day 11 of my Vlogmas with another HBAF treat. This is a... Who's calling me? They're calling this a ball corn snack. So here in Canada, we have two official languages, English and French, and they have to slap on a label. So I think it's just the translation, ball corn snack. This one is 70 grams. Cheese nacho flavored corn ball snack. So the nutrition facts, per 5/7 of a bag, so get your scale out and weigh out 50 grams. For 50 grams, it'll be 270 calories, 16 grams of fat, 4 grams of sugar. Oh good, it's not gonna be sweet. And 510 milligrams of sodium. I'm excited for this because I do like nacho flavored snacks. So I don't know what ball corn snack means. If that means it, I wonder if it means it's puffy, but we'll see in a minute. Now I picked up this ball corn snack at T&T. They're cheese balls. That's what they are. Okay, it's not screaming cheese nacho to me. I'm smelling a bit of sweetness again. Let's try this ball corn snack, cheese nacho flavor from HBAF, healthy but awesome flavor. This is a snack from Korea. Okay, it's not one of like the cheese puffs here that like kind of melt in your mouth. This kind of like is styrofoam-ish. Cheese nacho flavor. Again, I'm getting a bit of sweetness. It's not the cheese nacho flavor that I'm used to here. Not loving that. Not loving that at all. Not resembling cheese nacho to me. What do you think? Thank you so much for joining me here for a slice and a piece of cake for day 11 of my Vlogmas. Didn't really love the HBAF snacks today. the hazelnut bonbon, it was all right. It just didn't wow me, but these two here that I thought would be savory was kind of sweet, which was a bit odd. But that is day 11 of my Vlogmas, my friend. Make sure you come back tomorrow for day 12 of my Vlogmas.